Hello students, good morning all. Hope you all are enjoying your online classes. Welcome back to next lesson. We know that we have many forms of energies like wind energy, thermal energy, electrical energy. So electricity is also one of the basic form of energy. Electricity plays a very major role in our day-to-day life. It creates wonders in the modern world. So the topic for the day is what? Electricity. So before we go into detail into the topic, whatever the subtopics which are covered in this session are what is electric current, what are electrons, what is electric charge, what are the units of this electric current and charge that we are going to read. What is a charge? A charge is a fundamental property of matter. A charge is a fundamental property of matter. When a substance acquires an excess of electrons or have a deficiency of electrons, we say it as an electric charge. As we know that we have two kinds of charges, that is positive charge and negative charge. The positive charge is carried by protons and negative charge is carried by electrons. So electrons are negative charged particles. So what is electricity? Electricity is a flow of electrons through a circuit. Electrons are negative charged particles. Electrons are negative charged particles. So here I want to explain you something about branch of physics, the branch of physics which deals with the study of static electricity, that is charges at rest, is called electrostatistics. The branch of physics which deals with the study of static electricity, that is charges are at rest, is called electrostatistics. We have one more also, that is current electricity. What is current electricity? The charges are in motion. So we have two branches of physics, that is static electricity and current electricity. Next, here is my screen. I'm going to explain you what is electric current and what are the units of electric current. What is electric current? It is a flow of charges or flow of electrons through a conductor. What are electrons? Just now I already explained. Electrons are negative particles. And electrons always flow from negative terminal to the positive terminal, whereas electric current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. How this electric current is expressed? Electric current is expressed as rate of flow of charges through a conductor in a unit time. That is I is equal to Q by T. Here I is current, Q is charge, T is time. The SI unit of electric charge is coulomb, that is C, and whereas SI unit of current is ampere, that is A, and the SI unit of time, as you know, that is second. So we can also say that 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. What are the units of current? SI unit of current is ampere, which is denoted by capital A. And electric current, the instrument which is used to measure the electric current is ammeter. I hope I am clear till here. We are going to discuss about what is circuit, what are the different symbols we'll use while drawing the circuit in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.